Hey guys, welcome back to Help Screen. This is how to display and monitor internet speed meter on a taskbar in Windows. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to this website. So it will be on GitHub. So I will put the link in the description. And from here, you could just simply go to the releases over here on the right side and click on it. Now from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit. And now from here, just simply select this one over here, the x64.zip. And now it will be downloaded. And from here, just simply click on this folder and right click on it and just simply extract all. Click on extract. And now from here, just simply open the folder. And now from here, right click on this one, run as administrator. And now just simply select yes. And after that, you will have this tab over here. So now you could just simply right click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here, show taskbar window. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.